Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Proton VPN and Windscribe, two well-known VPN services. If you're serious about your online privacy, bypassing geo restrictions, or just want a more secure internet experience, this video is for you. Let's explore what each offers, their unique features, pricing structures, and ultimately determine which might be the best for you. First, let's talk about Proton VPN. If the name sounds familiar, that's because it comes from the same team behind Proton Mail, a highly secure email service based in Switzerland, a country known for its strong privacy laws. Proton VPN is designed with privacy and security in mind, ensuring that no one, not even the service itself, can track your online activity. Now here are the key highlights. It is based in Switzerland, meaning it benefits from strong privacy laws. There are no logs policy, which has been independently audited for transparency. Open source software, which allows security experts to verify its integrity. Unique secure core technology, which routes traffic through multiple servers for extra protection. Unlimited data on the free plan. It's a rare feature among VPN providers. Now here's a recent update, the introduction of the Smart Protocol feature, which automatically switches protocols for optional speed and stability. Now let us talk about Windscribe, a VPN service based in Canada. While Canada is part of the Five Eyes Alliance, an intelligence sharing network, Windscribe's strong no-logs policy helps counter privacy concerns. Here are the key highlights. You can have up to 15 GB of free data per month, which is generous compared to other free VPNs. User-friendly applications for desktop, mobile, and even browser extensions. Specialized features like static IPs, available for an additional cost. Robot, an advanced ad and tracker blocker built directly into the VPN services. And split tunneling, which allows users to choose which apps go through the VPN and which do not. Now let us talk about the features of Proton and Windscribe. First, Proton. There is a free plan that offers you unlimited data. No logs policy. It is independently audited. It is based in Switzerland, which means it benefits from privacy laws. The encryption is AES 256 bits, and the protocols available are OpenVPN, IKEv2, and WireGuard. Their servers are located in over 100 countries, and there's an ad blocking feature via NetShield. The P2P torrenting is also allowed. How about Windscribe? Users can get up to 15 GB of free data per month. They claim to have no logs policy, but no independent audits. They are based in Canada, which is part of the Five Eyes Alliance. The encryption is AES 256 bits, and the protocols available are OpenVPN, IKEv2, and WireGuard. The server is currently located in over 69 countries, and there's an ad blocking feature via Robot. P2P torrenting is also allowed. Both services offer strong security, no-log policies, and a decent free plan, but the differences lie in privacy and transparency. Proton VPN benefits from Swiss jurisdiction and independent audits, while Windscribe offers more flexibility with browser extensions and ad blocking features. Now let us talk about the pricing of Proton VPN and Windscribe VPN. There is a free plan on Proton VPN that offers you access to one device, no logs, no ads, and it is unlimited and forever free. But to enjoy advanced features, you have to switch to Proton VPN Plus, and currently the best deal is at 2.99 euros per month. Now this saves you a lot of money because if you get the 2-year deal, you'll be billed for just 71.76 euros for the first 24 months. How about Windscribe? The monthly plan is $9 per month, and with this, you will be subscribed to Windscribe Pro of unlimited data, you unlock all locations, you have config generator, and you have access to robots. A yearly plan, which is really cool and advocated, will cost you $5.75 per month and is the most popular plan. And you can customize a plan by reaching out to them and they build a plan for you. What are the pros and cons of using Proton VPN and Windscribe? First, the pros. With Proton VPN, there is strong privacy with Swiss jurisdiction. There are no data limits on the free plan, independently audited no logs policy, secure core feature for extra privacy, and it is open sourced and transparent. How about Windscribe? The generous free plan with up to 15 GB of data. You can build a plan for customization. There's Robert, which is the ads tracker or blocker. Browser extensions are enabled with unique features, and split tunneling is enabled for better control. How about the cons? First, Proton. Slower speeds on free servers. Fewer advanced features compared to Windscribe, and the premium pricing is slightly higher. And for Windscribe, no independent audits of the no logs policy. It is based in Canada, which is part of the Five Eyes jurisdiction, and the free plan has data limitations, meaning when you exhaust the data before the month ends, you'd have to wait for the next time you're qualified to have the free data. Now here's the million-dollar question. Which VPN is better? It depends on your priorities. If privacy and transparency are your top concerns, Proton VPN is the better option due to its Swiss jurisdiction, independent audits, and unlimited free data. However, if you need more flexibility, customizable pricing, and a strong free plan with more features, Windscribe might be the better choice. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore NordVPN, ExpressVPN, and Surfshark. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.